Hi guys, this is my video on how I take the train in London, and today's a busy day, so let's go. I'm heading to the train station. And these are the barriers that you come through. And we're waiting on this train now. Oh my gosh, the train track is a bit busy today. That's one down there. So our train is over this platform. My train is over this platform. So I'm just waiting on this one. And that's further down there. It's a bit busy today. So the train has arrived. And look at the N8, you know, because usually you just walk up to it. So, out of the train, and they're at the train station in Canada Water. This is, wait for the announcer stop. This is actually an underground line. So, we're just going to go up the escalators now. We're gonna go up the escalators. Alright, so this is the Canada Water train station, and I'm headed down. I'm headed down on the second escalator. So yeah, I'm headed down on the second one. I mean, there's always the stairs, but you know, I've gotten used to this. And to think, like, when I just came here, I was petrified of the escalators. And now it's just like another day, right? And on to another one. I'm telling you, the station is so full of escalators. I'm gonna like run down them a lot because I have nerves problems. I have nerves problems, so I don't play with running down the escalators. You know, on a good day I will, but on a regular, it's not my thing at all.
Virtual train, the Jubilee line is suspended between Wembley Park and Stanmore with severe delays on the rest of the line.
Alright, so this other train is scheduled to come in the next, what, 2 minutes? 2 minutes time. That's what we look at there. And everywhere you see these way out, that's how you exit the train station. You see that? That's how you exit. Headed up these escalators so we can exit the building. There's a truckload of crowd. Alrighty, so making my way on the outside. It's pretty crowded today. I think this should be the final set of escalators. So you just follow the way out sign, which indicates upwards. So we're just going upwards now then. So we're approaching the barriers where we tap right out. So I just tap out the larger barrier. Okay, so like if you need to get somewhere, you just press here for information and this for emergency. And exiting exiting this building. Would you guys look behind there? It's literally a crowd of people. It's insane. Alright. Just headed out then now. So these are some barriers over this side. These are the barriers. None of these barriers are working. That's why you see the red X there. So none of them are in operation. And we only have 3 in operation over here. That is the lift there. Kind of look like an airport, the train station to you. All right, and yeah, it's pretty busy tonight. It's headed up to New Year's night, so of course it's going to be really busy. So everybody's out and about tonight, you know, right, running to try to, you know, catch their trains and everything like. Just went to show you a quick view of this section. Headed back home now, guys. This train is both underground and overground. So it starts from the underground and then basically goes overground.
You make the night entry to the network by the Elysian and TFL Postman staff, or you could face a fine. Some exemptions apply. Please be considerate and remember that exemption may not always be.
This is an oncoming train.
Please do your bit by washing your hands frequently and using our hand sanitizers before and after travelling. Thank you.
So this was me on a different train, and they do have different types of train with different seating arrangements and so on. This one was basically seated something kind of like a straight face forwarding seating, some of them, and you know, so it had kind of like a structure of an airplane. And this is me, you know, nothing's really wrong with my hair, but I'm just feeling myself. To the elevator to get our butts up.
Doors opening, lift going up.
Yeah, so I can, yep, doo. That was the train station, and the train is terminated. And so thanks so much for watching my video on how I take the train in London, heading out now to where the cars are parked. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.